Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the enhanced video player on Threads. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So Threads has upgraded its video player, making it easier to watch and interact with videos. First, when you come across a video on your feed, just tap on it to enter full screen mode. This will give you a better viewing experience with clearer quality and better controls. If you want to pause or play the video, just tap on the screen. You can also scrub through the video by dragging the progress bar at the bottom. If there is sound, tap the speaker icon to mute or unmute it. Another cool feature is that you can now double tap to zoom into the video. Plus, if you want to exit this video, you can tap the X button on the top left corner to get back to your feed. This new video player of Threads is a far better upgrade than the previous one, which only used to play the video in full screen with no other controls whatsoever. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.